Do you know why so many YouTubers are obsessed with making videos with Mr. Beast? Making videos with Mr. Beast will get you a lot of views, and views equals money. So now how can we make money using Mr. Beast? I did my little research and I found two effective ways that YouTubers use to generate enormous views using Mr. Beast. The first way is to create something for Mr. Beast. When I say create something, I mean something that is actually good, something that requires a lot of effort.
Bruh, these are huge! Yeah. Oh, is there real chocolate inside them? It is. Can I open them or?
Do not create lazy content. I see a lot of people creating something like the one of asking Mr. Beast to comment on my video. You might think it's a great idea, but it's actually not. Even I can do something like this today. Instead, create something like this. I made Mr. Beast a giant chocolate bar. As you can see, this is not an idea that anybody can just steal, because it's not easy to replicate.
I got a piece up. Oh, this is actually crunch. Oh, wow. I mean, I'm not going to be able to eat it all.
Here's another example. I built Mr. Beast a real Iron Man suit. Who wouldn't want to click on this video? As you can see, it has over 10 million views. You know quality content when you see one.
Absolutely. You look like Iron Man. I'm having fun. Kidding.
The second way is to create reaction videos, and I have a few examples.
A marathon is 26 miles, and today, with no prior training, we're going to attempt it with the world's largest pair of shoes.
I'm nervous already because two problems arise here. One, running a marathon with no prior training, incredibly bad for your body. Now, I'm not just talking about your joints, your muscles, your tendons. I'm talking about your kidneys. When you have a
As you can see, he's not only watching the video, but stops to analyze what he sees in the video. That's what the action has always been about. You watch some video, you stop, you watch the video again, you talk, you stop, you watch it again, you stop, you talk. And if this way is too hard for you, you can do the Kai Snap way. Just get a camera, start a live stream, react to a video you love, and just pray you make the viewers laugh.
Private island. Okay, chat. Okay, Mr. Beast. Okay, Mr. Beast.
And this is not even a joke. This can actually work for you, especially if you're a fun person, because majority of reaction videos are usually like this. So whichever of this method that you choose, I hope you find the success you're looking for. Thank you for watching. Bye.